Today, I'm going to introduce the ONWA Networking. I will show you how to share the radar, how to share the Sonar, and how to share the NMEA data 01X3 or N2K through the OneNet technology to other ONWA porters. So now today I connect all the necessary data, the heading, the wind, the weather information, and the AIS information into KMD 402. 402 is an NMEA multiplexer. It will combine all the NMEA 01X3 data and export as one stream to the KM12X. And the 12X, 8X, and the KM12C, and the radio antenna is connected to a KM router, and also a transducer is connected to the KM12X. So the radar image will share on these three units, and the sonar information of the KM12X will share to KM8X and KM12C. And all this NMEA 01X3 information will also share to KM8X and the KM12C through the network. Okay, we are in the following video, we are showing one by one to make you best understanding. There are three sets of the KM series. This is the 12X, this is the 12C, and this is X. So you can see that there is no GPS, no wind, no AIS. So the alarm, you can see the triangle here, means no GPS fix. And I can show you the 12C is only connected to the power cable and the network cable. The 12X is connected to the network cable, the power cable, and the transducer cable. And the 8X is connected to the network cable and the power cable only. Nothing more. This is the testing cable. And all these three units are connected to this KM router. And I use the radar processing port here as the simulation, the radar simulation. So 1, 2, 3 units and also the radar are connected to this KM router. Now I show you how to share the radar among these three units, and how to share the fishfinder to the 8X and the 12C. And also I will show you how to share the NMEA NMEA data from the 12X to 8X and 12C through the router. Through the router, use the ONWA technology. Now I connect either NMEA data. I prepare an N2K data and also the 0183 data. Now I test the 0183 data first. So I insert the 0183 data into the 12x. Okay. Now you can see the satellite and the wind data and also the AIS data here. That means the 12x share the NMEA Lima data to 12C and the 8X through the network, the ONET network. For sharing the radar signal, you have to make sure the three units. Now, this is the radar overlay screen. The connected and the IP matched should be in white color instead of red. Okay. I choose. You can see the orange border when I press the escape key. So it will scroll among the four screens until the yellow border is here. That means when I press the menu, it is related to the Porter menu. Okay, now I turn the standby to transmit. And I change the range. Okay, you can see the radar signal here, as well as here, and also here as well. One thing you have to know, when you change the range of the other two sets will change together. That means the range is synchronized between the three units. Okay, that is the radar share. For the Sonar share, if we want to share the Sonar screen with this 8x, so now the orange border is on the Sonar screen, and we press the menu, and then we choose the network setting, and now it's as a server. If we want to share the signal from the server, we have selected as a client, and then we select the server. Uh, 101 is the IP of this 12x. So now you can see we share the same screen, the Sonar signal from the server to the client. Also, same as the radar share, if we change the screen here, change the range, the server will change as well. And we change Also, if we change the range on the server, the slave also will change as well. Sorry, because I still not moved the orange border to here. Okay, now I change the range here. So you can see the client range change as well. This is the Sonar share. Before I finish this video, I want to share how to output the ONET, share the ONET output. And when you select the satellite screen and press menu, you can see the ONET output on. If just on, he will not relay the AIS target to the other external equipment. If you choose on plus AIS, it will output the Lima signal and as well as the AI signal to the client units.